Scout Motors is an American company. If you think of International Harvester and the Scouts that they made back in the 60s and 70s, that company unfortunately went away. And a couple of years ago, the Volkswagen Group bought Navistar, which was the parent company, which gave them the rights to Scout. And Scott Keogh, our CEO, had the brilliant idea of let's revive this brand. We have the Traveler, which is the SUV, and the Terra, which is the pickup truck. They're both super robust, body on frame, come with 35-inch tires from the factory. We did all of the things that an avid off-roader would want in the vehicles. The gear, the setup, the hardware is meant for business. We wanted to capture the magic that you could feel in the original vehicles. So trying to create something that to the OG Scout lovers feels familiar. And then for people that are not familiar with the original brand, creating something that feels like cool, modern vehicles. We wanted to make sure we chocked it full of technology as well. But what we also did was mix that with tactile switches. So we have a full bank of heavy-duty tactile switches just below the screen. It allows the customer to get to things that are easy. So muscle memory when you're driving. The whole package is meant for off-roadability, but also we wanted to make sure that on-road it would perform well and be comfortable and drive well. Some of the other cool things that we did, thinking of the Heritage Play, is an available bench seat in the front on both vehicles. And that is something you do find in pickup trucks, but we're doing it as a feature, and we're really doing it in a way that feels unique and feels special. And then we also have the version with the 2 captain's chairs in the front with the console if you want extra storage instead of extra seating. So really pushing the boundaries on this mixture of heritage and ingenuity, creating something that feels special. We have the full EV version, which will get 350 miles of range, and then the Harvester, which is our range extender. We know that everyone that has driven EVs, that drives EVs, they love how EVs drive, they love the instant torque, they love all of that stuff. But people have range anxiety, they're worried about the infrastructure. Is this charging station actually going to work? Is this fast charger really a fast charger? And so we've solved that with the Harvester. We'll have a smaller battery pack, a gas tank, and then a small 4-cylinder engine that we package behind the solid rear axle. Basically what it does is recharge the batteries. And so the combination of that gives you over 500 miles of range. It's great for the American road trip. I mean, I've driven across this country countless times, and for people that want to do that and want to have the freedom and not have to worry about necessarily EV routing, they can do that with the Harvester. We want people to have fun with their Scout. Full adjustability. We're going to have a full suite of accessories. And then if you see on the concept vehicles, we're working on other fun stuff like the Go box setup, where you can have extra storage, where you can bring anything you want with you, making sure that people will have fun with their Scouts and really adventure with them.